Hey everyone, 5th question in HL paper and 10th question in SL. It's a finance question. Even though you will be using your calculator, please list all of these on your test paper. Present value is here. N is 30 years. Interest rate is 3.8%. Compounded period is given as monthly, so PPY is 12, and repayment will be done monthly as well. It is also 12. So we have to adjust the duration as 30 times 12, which is 360. The loan will be done in 30 years, but eventually there will be no debt remaining. So future value is 0. We need to find the payment. Here is the calculator screenshot. The question is especially asking for 2 decimal places for all the answers. Be careful with this. Part B is more tricky. They're asking about interest amount in the first 10 years. So we know the payment amount. So duration will be just 10 times 12. And we'll be finding the future value, remaining amount first. So here is the calculator screenshot. There is still $133,000 debt left. If you use the payment exact as I did, you will be finding this value. But if you write it as 792.13 in two decimal place, your future value might be a little bit different. Both of them will be accepted in the exam. Let's talk about part BII. Here's the calculator screenshot. In 10 years, 120 payment has been done, and each payment is 792.13. So far, the paid amount is here. So loan was 170,000, and we just calculated the remaining debt. So difference is the amount that is paid as a part of the original debt. So difference between the first and second line, on the other hand, is the interest that is paid in first 10 years. Remember, your final answer will be in 2 decimal place. So even though your calculator doesn't show it, you're supposed to put another 0 as the second decimal place. Thank you all for watching. See you soon.